Hello guys, welcome to our Python series. We are going to be digging deeper into data in Python because when we understand data, we know how to manipulate them. So let's dive in. Variables store data, and we have different types of data. We have strings, integer, we have floats, bool, non-type, list. This is not all. We have other types of data. We have our number. When I say z equal 30, that's an integer. But I cannot index my integer. I cannot say print z first character. It tells me that it is not subscriptable. You can't index into it to find the first character or second character. So if you want to find the first character of a number, you have to first convert it into a string before you start indexing it. How do you convert integer to string? You just say string. As soon as you use str around your integer, it becomes a string. Then you can index into it. So when I do that now, I get 3 as the first character because I have converted it into a string. Because you can't index into it, you also can't find its length. It's still the same thing. It says it has no length. If you want to find the number of characters in an integer, then you have to convert it into a string before you find the number of characters. I want to multiply. I say 30 times 2. Python does that. So let's come here and say 30 times 2. It said the command not found. So if you want to use Python to do your calculations, you first need to call your Python. Then it enters into the Python mode. Then you can talk to Python directly in your terminal. This is what I mean. Let me say Python 3. I'm calling Python. I need you to be active. As soon as you see those triple lines, Python is ready to answer any question you have that relates to instructions and codes. So when I say 30 times 2, I get 60. 4 minus 2, I get 2. 10 divided by 5, I still get my 2. As soon as you use a slash though, the response that you get from Python in division is a float. A float is a number that has decimal. My float. As soon as you have decimals, your number becomes a float. It's no longer an integer. So when you use a slash, you are getting a float. I'm saying 10 divided by 3. It's surely going to give me a float of 3.3333. But I don't want decimals. I just want to have the whole number that comes from dividing 10 by 3. Then you will do a double slash. And it gives me the whole number, 3. When you want to find the remainder, when you do a division, then you use your modulus. 10 modulus 3 is 1. When you divide 10 by 3, you get a whole number 3 and you get a remainder of 1. So modulus gives you your remainder. 11 modulus 3, it gives you 2 as a remainder because 3 times 3 is 9, then you have a remainder of 2. This does not make my Python mathematics. I'm showing you that you can use Python to perform mathematical tasks. We have many other operations. 10 divided by 3. I'm expecting it to give me a float. But I don't want to see the number of decimals after. I want to restrict it to something small. So you could just use round to get that. So you say round my decimal, then the number of digits I want. I just want 2 digits after a decimal point. So when I ask Python to run that, it gives me the number that I want after the decimal, which is 2 decimal places. If I did not use round, I would have had a series of 3s after my 3 or after a decimal. But I just wanted 2 3s and that's what I got because I used round on my floats. Manipulating of data is fun with Python. I have a string. I have another string. Drop in the comment section below if you think a string is a string in Python or int. Also let me know if another string is a float or a string. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see the rest of these videos and many more to come. And don't forget to also share this video to help other people that want to learn the intricacies of Python. See you some other time. Bye-bye.